today I'm going to do something excitement. I'm going to install the new shift links, install new AC link shifter and a new shift link, if I pronounce it correctly. And the one I'm going to install is the Thrashin supply linkage. Alright guys, let's get started. First thing first, we're going to remove the shift linkage from the motorcycle. Over here I use the 1/2 inch wrench on the back, and later on I'm going to use the same 1/2 inch wrench with the 1/2 inch socket to remove the front connection from the motorcycle. I mean more from the shifter. Now that we removed the shift linkage, I'm gonna remove now the shift pack. Later on I will reinstall this one. In the future I will replace it with a Thrashin shifter, but for right now this will do it. I'm using here the following tool, the 3/16 hex bit. And when I'm done, I put it aside somewhere so it doesn't scratch. As you can see, I'm starting to remove the shifter and the inner shifter leveler from the shifter shaft leveler. On both of these I use the T40 Torx bit socket. After you remove both the shifter and the inner shifter leveler, put those aside. Include the plastic tube that will be used later on to install the new shifter and the inner EZ shifter from Thrashin. I'm done removing Harley Davidson's stock shifter and shift linkage, it is time for me to install the new EZ shifter from Thrashin Supply. As you can see here, I just attached the EZ shifter. Right now I put some little towel down to prevent scratches on the new EZ shifter. Try to prevent scratches as long as possible. Right now you can see I put some little bit of blue Loctite on it to prevent that bolt getting loose due to all the vibration from the motorcycle. And this nut size or slash bolt size is, I'm using the T40 Torx bit socket. Right now I only do hand tight. Later on I torque it to the right setting. So now I grab the torque, I put it on 6 foot-pounds, but in the manual it says between 6 and 7, but I will try to play safe.
I'm gone away, and the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away, I'm gone away, I'm gone away, and the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me, a brand new day.
The following tools that I use for this part is the 10mm 12-point socket and the half-inch wrench. Now that the EZ shifter is installed, it is time to install the shift linkage to the motorcycle. I started at the back that connects to the gearbox. I work myself forward to the EZ shifter. Now that the shift linkage is installed, now is the last part of the installation is your shifter. Don't worry about the height of your shifter, you can adjust it later on with your shift linkage by spinning back and forth to the specific height that you want to have it.
There's nothing quite like this.